Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic that connects chemistry and biology, the incredible world of biomolecules. These are the very substances that make life possible. From your DNA to the pigments in flowers, biomolecules are everywhere. Stick with us to explore primary and secondary metabolites, unravel the mysteries of biomacromolecules, and understand the chemical composition of living organisms. Trust me, this is going to be exciting. First, let's address the big question. What are biomolecules? Biomolecules are organic compounds found in living organisms, ranging from simple sugars to complex proteins. They're the foundation of life, involved in processes like energy production, growth, repair, and immunity. Think of them as the building blocks and workers of life. Without biomolecules, there would be no cells, no organs, no life. Biomolecules can be classified into micromolecules, small compounds with molecular weights under 1,000 Dalton, such as amino acids, sugars, and ions. Macromolecules, large compounds with molecular weights exceeding 10,000 Dalton, like proteins, nucleic acids, and polysaccharides. Let's dive into the fascinating world of metabolites, the compounds involved in metabolism. Metabolism is the sum total of all chemical reactions in a living organism, and metabolites are the players in this process. Primary metabolites are essential for the basic physiological processes of life. These include amino acids, building blocks of proteins found in both plants and animals. Example, glycine. Sugars, simple carbohydrates like glucose that provide energy. Lipids, essential for cell membranes and energy storage. Nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA and RNA. These are crucial for growth, development, and reproduction. For example, glucose fuels cellular respiration. Proteins build muscles and tissues. Secondary metabolites are not directly involved in growth or reproduction, but serve unique roles, especially in plants, fungi, and microbes. These include alkaloids, morphine, and codeine, used in medicine. Pigments, carotenoids, and anthocyanins, which give fruits and flowers their color. Essential oils, like lemongrass oil, used in perfumes and aromatherapy. Toxins, abrin and ricin, which protect plants from herbivores. Drugs, vinblastine, an anti-cancer drug, and curcumin, from turmeric. Fun fact: rubber, a secondary metabolite, has revolutionized industries worldwide. While primary metabolites have defined roles in the organism's survival, secondary metabolites often have ecological functions, like attracting pollinators or deterring predators. Now, let's talk about biomacromolecules, the giants of the biomolecular world. These are the large, complex molecules found in the acid-insoluble pool of cells. Types of biomacromolecules. 1. Proteins. These are the workhorses of the cell. Made of amino acids, proteins perform diverse functions, including enzyme activity, structural support, and immune response. For example, hemoglobin, which transports oxygen in the blood. 2. Nucleic acids. These store and transfer genetic information. DNA and RNA are nucleic acids made of nucleotides. An example is DNA, which contains the instructions for building and maintaining life. 3. Polysaccharides. These are complex carbohydrates made of sugar units. Functions include energy storage, like glycogen in animals, and structural support, such as cellulose in plants. 4. Lipids. While not polymers, lipids are crucial for forming cell membranes and storing energy. A good example would be phospholipids in the cell membrane. Why are lipids in the acid-insoluble pool? Lipids form vesicles and membranes that are water-insoluble, causing them to separate with the acid-insoluble fraction during cell grinding. Composition of cells by percentage. Water makes up 70 to 90% of total cellular mass. Proteins account for 10 to 15%. Carbohydrates make up 3%. Lipids are 2%. Nucleic acids range from 5 to 7%. Biomolecules do more than sustain life. content. See you in the next video.